Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick unboxing for this lift-up storage bed that I'm about to put together. It's industrial style. You can see that it has a really dark wood, and it also has metal on the side. So if you're shopping this bed, this unboxing should give you a much better idea as to what to expect when you take everything out of the box. So these 4 pieces right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, are going to be used to build the platform that is going to be rising up and down. This here is a lifting mechanism, and here are the 2 gas pistons. Here are the 2 shelves. You can see one of them has a hole for the outlet. These 2 metal pieces right here are going to be for the side of the headboard, and then all these pieces right here are what's going to make up the frame between the headboard and the sideboards right here. These are just some various metal pieces that are going to be used to make up the entire frame. Here's a couple of brackets, a couple of feet, a couple of hooks. These are actually going to be the stops for the mattress. This is where that metal frame is going to lie on so that it doesn't drop into the storage space. And these are the wooden slats. And these right here are the plastic ends that are going to go onto the wooden slats. This right here is the strap that's going to help you pull down the platform where the mattress is going to be on. And here's the instruction manual and the individually packaged hardware, which is a major plus. This means that you don't have to do any organizing yourself. So here's a blown up version of the bed. If you want to do a quick inventory check before you start the assembly, here's the part list, and then here's the hardware list down here. But again, everything is already individually organized. And you can see here that, they don't jam pack too many steps into one, right? So you're just basically starting to build the headboard, and you can see they use these sort of blown up illustrations to show you how to orient parts. Of course, it'll tell you the hardware part that you need and the quantity. So far so good. There are quite a bit of pieces, so I do have my work cut out for me. Probably gonna take me about a couple hours to put together. So I'm gonna show you guys a finished product in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this industrial style storage bed that I just put together, and my initial reaction after assembly is that this thing is awesome, right? So let's quickly take a look at this bed, sort of what it features, so in case you are searching or shopping this particular bed, you know exactly what to expect. So it is pretty close quarters over here, as you can see, so I'm going to try and carefully step over here so we can quickly take a look at the headboard. You can see that it has this top shelf right here that I think looks really nice. It also has the 3-prong outlets. It's got 2 of those, and it's got 2 USBs. And then other than that, I really like this industrial style. I like the wood with the metal. And then something kind of unique about this one is this brown is that chocolate brown. It's not, anything that's like rustic or anything like that. Usually these browns come a little bit lighter, so you see more of a contrast between the dark metal and the wood, but this one blends really well. I think it's a really nice aesthetic. If we drop down, you can see the headboard. Nice, very nice. And underneath it, that's where you see the outlet where you can just plug in, and that's going to power up this charging station right here. Now this bed does use solid wood slats where the mattress is going to go on, but then for the frame, it actually uses this metal frame right here, which I think is going to really help with the durability of the bed. And even on top of this metal beam that goes across the center of the bed, it has this sort of a spongy foam material, and what that does is it absorbs the sound of the solid wood slats hitting against the metal. That way you can sleep in peace. These 2 front parts up here is what's going to stop the mattress from sliding forward when you lift up the bed. And to lift up the bed, it's actually pretty easy. All you got to do is just lift it up like this. And here's a quick look underneath the bed where the storage area is. It goes directly onto the ground, so this has nice carpet, very spacious. So yeah, looks really nice. Now, one issue that a lot of people have is they say that it's hard to push this frame down when there's no mattress on it, and that is true. When the mattress goes on top, it's going to be a lot easier to push it down, but if you do want to push it down without the mattress, all you got to do is push down really hard. You almost got to put your entire body weight on it, like so. It may feel like something is going to break, but it's not. It's just that it needs a lot more weight to push it down, and usually the mattress will do that for you. Other than that, I really like this bed. The assembly wasn't too bad. It's got solid wood slats. It's got a nice industrial style to it, and overall, it's a really solid bed. So I highly recommend you go ahead and take a look at it. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.